Guys, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. So may Allah bless you in this beautiful video. I hope you will like it. Very interested and very beautiful unique area. So I hope you will enjoy my unique and very interested area. So I hope you will like it. Always stunning. And hope you will like it. Enjoy my unique so very fabulous collection. Inshallah friends, I hope you will enjoy unique so very stunning and very interested ideas so beautifully. So keep watching. Ideas are very stunning and fashionable. Inshallah, I hope you will like it. Is that very beautiful and more stunning and ideas? Is that very beautiful? I hope you will like it. Is that very amazing? So inshallah, I hope you will enjoy. Unique Christmas decoration. So friends, I hope you will like it. And friends, I hope you will enjoy. Unique areas, I hope you will like it. Enjoy my unique so very interested collections. So keep watching it. They are so beautifully. And viewers of friends, I hope you will like it. Always stunning and very interested. It's that very beautiful. And friends, with these ideas. And friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. It's that very beautiful and more stunning. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique so very interested collection. So I hope you will like it. Is that very beautifully, and hope you will like it. Enjoy my unique so very interested. And friends, so I hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. I hope you will like all these very interested collection. Very fabulous, amazing ideas. Is that very beautifully? So friends, this collection. And friends, I hope you will ideas. Is that very attractive? Let's see. And I hope you will enjoy unique ideas. Is that very beautifully?